Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Regent Bowerbird in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my bird watching diary. And this is how the Regent Bowerbird looks like. It has black fur. Okay, and for the weather condition, basically you can catch or capture this bird in any weather. And for the source, it's from the forest, specifically from the spirit oak pine forest. So you need to go to the forest and go to the spirit oak pine forest. It's near the bus stop, and you can explore this area to capture the Regent Bowerbird. It's just around here, guys. And you can use the Heartopia whistle to help you capturing the Regent Bowerbird. Okay, but for now, I don't find the bird. But yeah, you just need to keep exploring right here. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Regent Bowerbird in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.